Hey everyone, it's late July. The wheat harvest is still going on, so I want to go out during golden hour and see if I can get some good pictures. Welcome aboard. I'm Evan Anderman, a geologist, photographer, and pilot based in Denver, Colorado. Come with me as I discover new ways to look at the environment.
Going east, 6 Mike Yankee, thank you. Centennial Ground Station here, 756 Mike Yankee at the midfield run-up pad. Need an eastbound departure, information X-ray, run-up complete, request 10.
Station here, 756 Mike Yankee, Centennial Ground, runway 10, taxi via Charlie 1.
10 via Charlie 1, 6 Mike Yankee.
November 6 Mike Yankee, you can just hold there. Got traffic short, final landing, runway 10, monitor tower.
I'll hold here and monitor tower, 6 Mike Yankee, thank you.
No, 6 Mike Yankee, runway 10, line up and wait.
Line up point 10, 6 Mike Yankee, thank you.
Sir, 6 Mike Yankee, eastbound course approved, runway 10, course takeoff, 0808.
Cleared for takeoff off the 10 on eastbound approved, 6 Mike Yankee. Okay, go see what we can find. So we had a very wet and late spring here in Denver, definitely went into June. I'm sure all the farmers love that because their fields got tons of water, but it also means that the whole harvesting has been delayed. Anyway, here it is, July 25th, very late harvest. They're still harvesting here close to Denver, so I thought I'd go out and see what I could pick up for pictures during the golden month. We had a thunderstorm come through Denver this afternoon. Luckily, it moved on through. It's further east. Shouldn't be a problem here. I should get my cameras going. Oh, this is beautiful light. Still trying to figure out the two camera thing. Yep, that's obviously a wheat field there. Oh, and there's a couple of harvesters right there. Of course, the harvesters are right in the shadow. Had a good while before sunset, about an hour. Okay, be nice to find someplace in the sun. Maybe someplace with more harvesters working at once. Go look for another field. Look out for dust blowing. Usually that's a sign. Oh, still pretty. I don't know if they tried to harvest this field down here. Field I call Kura is right over here, and it's nicely surrounded by a wheat field. It's a stream, nice and green. Should all come together. Oh, what a nice contrast between the amber and the green. I saw some hay or something over here on a field that it makes some interesting patterns. I'm sure they cut this stuff and they're letting it dry before they bale it or do whatever they do. Ooh, I see the sun. There's still a killer rainbow over there. But that sun's about to get below that cloud. Finally, the sun's come out. Looks like it's going to stay out, at least over here. But now the lights are missing. Oh, that must be some harvesters over there. Oh, nice light. Yeah, I'm trying to look for plumes of dust. part of the culling process. They throw a lot of dust off. Now there are going to be too many things and not enough time. Okay, finally, here we go. And configured, coming down. Awesome. All right, I got all quiet because I'm just taking pictures. There are only a couple of harvesters. I guess there are 2 over there, 2 over here. Figure out what the best angle is. I guess there are 3 over here. Oh, yep, nice golden light here. But this is going to be my only opportunity. Oh, and of course they just went out of the light. Oh yeah, I see there's another cloud by the horizon by the mountains. Yeah, because these guys are out of the light in the shade. Well, see, I had about 10 minutes, if that, in order to shoot. This is the way it works in the real world, right? It's you're frustrated because the light's never quite right. Well, head back to Centennial now. Hope you found it interesting to come and explore the wheat field with me of eastern Colorado, and I'll catch you on the next flight.